Croidex. Think bathrooms. Are you irritated by loose toilet seats that wobble and keep slipping? What if we could end your frustration with a quick, easy and affordable replacement that locks in place? Easy to clean and durable, there's a stick and lock seat for every toilet. We even offer family seat options with an integrated seat for younger children. Simply select the shape that matches your pan and benefit from some of its great design features, including a permanent antibacterial treatment effective against harmful bacteria, soft close hinges to avoid loud slamming, a quick release button for easier and more thorough cleaning, and family seats with a quick and easy to remove child seat for when it's no longer needed. Depending on your toilet pan, you can install the seat from above, top fix, or below, bottom fix. The fixings for both options are included with your seat. For top fix seats, you'll first need to insert the two rubber bungs into the holes on the pan. You may want to use a bolt provided to help push them in. The bungs are not needed for bottom fix pans. Next, push the two halves of the hinge together, making sure the slots line up fully. Then, simply peel off the protective film, locate the fixing holes and lightly screw into position. Attach the spacer bar provided to keep the hinges positioned correctly, then locate the seat. The hinges have collapsible supports so you can safely adjust the seat position before locking in place. When ready, apply pressure to the back of the seat and hold for 20 seconds. This bonds the adhesive pad, holding the seat in place ready for the next step. Fully tighten each bolt to lock into position and then remove the spacer bar. Finally, fit the decorative hinge covers, then click the seat into position and you're done. Stick and lock toilet seats. Simply stick and lock. Croidex. Think bathrooms.